Hi friends, this is Joseph and I'm gonna show you my PA6, the memory game. We're gonna go to the codes on Eclipse and then we're gonna go to the emulator to see how it runs. So let's go to Eclipse very quickly. Okay, we're right here. Close this a little bit and let's make this bigger. Okay, so we have 5 Java files in total. We actually have 5 Java files. Then in the rest we have 2 layouts, the main and the open screen for each screen, 4 sound files, and the colors and the strings. So let's go to the Java files, which are here. We have the background sound, which is in charge of the background sound, the music that it's in the background of the game. It has 2 variables for the first song playing, and if you're gonna use another song, it's gonna stop playing the first and play next. That's what this method does. Then the play and stop methods, the other sound effects, um, just a sound that it's above the background sound, so both are gonna be sounding at the same time, and the play and stop. The open screen, which is simple, just the main screen with a button and text that tells you resets the game and starts the intent. Then game, which builds pretty much the game. We have 2 array lists, the countries, capitals, and the hash map that connects them match. Constructor, set countries builds the countries array, set capitals array, the capitals, and set matches connects them. Then each of these methods returns it, and this method shuffle that shuffles the numbers. And finally, the memory, which is a little bit long. This is pretty much the game. All the relevant variables are here, all the find views on the onCreate when it's called, and all this basic stuff to build the intents. Then the buttons to set them empty and label all as empty for to give them a sign that they are still open to find. Then onClick checks all the buttons and calls the capital button case or the country button case, which makes the necessary changes that are gonna it changes the variables that it's gonna make the necessary moves for the game to continue up to this point. And then this checks if the person guessed. Good job. Necessary moves and changes, removing and adding from the arrays. Then set empty all of the ones that are guessed, and finally the buttons, set them empty, clean all of them to the next move. Then for the views of the buttons and the toast that you want. This is when you want to get 0, when all of the pairs have been guessed, and this is for the sound. These methods have been explained above. This is to build the views, and on resume and pause for the music. So let's play it now. Play. Let's go to emulator. Let's wait for a while, and here it is, memory new game. So let's go for new game. I'm gonna put the volume up so we can listen to music. Here it is. So we have countries and capitals. If we start playing, we open one. We have Australia. We go here and we open. Oh, good job. I'm lucky. Let's try another one. China. Notice the different. You see laser sound, and before it was like ring sound. That determines the different sounds for the buttons. Oh. If you see, the buttons all work depending on, like, if I try to open here it won't work, but if I open here it will work. But if I open here it won't work, but it will make me open here before. So all this stuff is taken care. It's pretty much the work and how it's supposed to work. Then good job. So if I finally finish, it will give me a good job, and it will tell me you won the game, and it's gonna finish the game, and it's gonna take me back to here, where I'm gonna be able to start over a new game. Thank you very much. Have a good day.